Werner produces a wide range of limit switches. Our limit switches are particularly built for efficient operation in harsh environments. The bottom part of the body is made by aluminium die casting technique. The top cover is made of reinforced glass-filled nylon. The actuator is made of stainless steel. Our limit switches are built to last for 10 million operations. In a conventional conveyor system, a limit switch may be operated at least 15,000 times in a given shift, which amounts to about 850,000 operations in a month. In such an application, our limit switch can work efficiently for 3 years. Werner's adjustable roller limit switches are uniquely designed to adjust the actuation position based on the size of the object. The lever can be adjusted up to 3 inches. By removing a single screw, you can change the direction of the actuator to fit your design. This gives you the freedom to use our limit switch to suit any type of mounting arrangement. There are 11 actuator types available, which makes it suitable for any kind of application. May it be a high-speed conveyor system or printing press, we have it all. Werner limit switches gives a flexible wiring system. Just unscrew the cover and fix the wire with ease. Werner offers a standard 12 months warranty and standby replacement option within 24 hours. If you have to make a choice, make it right, make it Werner.